Oh yeah. Did you take the radiator cap off?
Yeah.
It's that cooled off already?
It's a car. For the 30-year-old car that doesn't want to stay cold. Okay, so I guess it was just
Low.
low. I wonder when the
Dude, what the hell?
when that heater line popped, I probably didn't put enough in it. I wonder if I was just that dumb and I didn't put enough water in
I
it.
fucking hate you, Nathan.
Hey man.
This dude was about to send me home with half the amount of coolant that should be in here.
Hey, well, you know, the Lexus has 0 in it, if it makes you feel better.
And that's why it's sitting here indefinitely.
Until I feel like getting it.
What the fuck, dude?
Hey man. We're good.
What in the fuck is wrong with you?
I like that you're recording that. Okay.
This is the perfect part to record. Dude, can we put that red bottle in there? I feel like that'll make it go faster.
Put that in there.
Yeah.
For this, it'll take. Takes the whole
I'm gonna double check again that it's not pissing. Yeah.
It wasn't
There we
that
go.
empty. It wasn't that empty. Yeah, it wasn't that empty.
Bruh. What in the hell? Alright, so we're burping coolant.
Huh? I'm off Wednesday, Thursday.
Truck. Brakes failed on it and I crashed in the back of my boss's truck. You know what's funny? I've been in 6 crashes in the last few years and only one going back home. And every single time I did not receive no, I did not find. That's the thing, like, I don't know what's that movie called where they like first they try to kill you? It's like nature, whatever it is. Oh, Final Destination. That's basically how I felt for the last couple of years.
Bruh.
Slightly there.
Do you have oil?
Yeah, I got oil.
Motherfucker, man. Yeah, that might also help with the lifters a little bit.
Can we let it settle for a minute too? Maybe?
Why?
So that the oil is down and it reads correctly?
Oh, hell yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. You need the microphone? Fucking eardrums, that's what I fucking did.
Yeah, you heard me. I'm gonna fuck my girl's feet in front of you. What's up?
man, you didn't tell me I need to have actual.
He loves you. He loves you.
You didn't tell me I need actual upper arm strength to actually pull the fucking.
Literally, just use your cock and or balls. I don't know how to stop the recording. Oh, look, it's that guy that was running. We recorded him earlier.
You're gonna like big menace. Come on, let's go take a look at these.
I want to get some of the f***ing drink. I'm thirsty.
I want that Asian girl behind the counter.
Pretty much.
This is me at a funeral. They're playing Paradise by Coldplay. That's fucking Coldplay. 5-day notice to pay rent. What if I just took this off and they would never know? By 7:31.
Yep.
So that was 6 days ago. So I don't know. I don't think they need it, honestly. How many games on your phone? All right. No! Did you say can I rape you?
Yes, I said that.
I did say these things. I did in fact ask the rape gentleman.